Hey, good morning, everyone. Yet again, we got a really nice snowstorm. This is the second good one that we have received here in Japan. For reference, I am in Yamaguchi Prefecture. Not known for a lot of snow, but we are up high in the mountains. If this is your first time, obviously I'm a foreigner living here in the countryside of Japan. We purchased this. Well, not that. That's our guest house. We did purchase it as well. Came with the house, but we purchased this house in the background, which used to be an Akiya vacant house, and we conducted an extensive renovation. So if you're interested in that topic, please check it out. And absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. We did install a fireplace. Part of the renovation is keeping this really warm. However, I woke up to some frozen pipes. Hopefully they are not busted, but I'm going to go ahead and walk around and explore, see what it looks like. Got some tracks. I think we have some cats in the heat because they were putting on quite a spectacle last night with the noise. Yeah, quite frozen, but I think it's going to warm up. We are fortunate that we are warm and no issues, but unfortunately there are some people that maybe colder, damaged homes, so please keep them in mind. All right, let's go ahead and take a walk around and hopefully enjoy it. All these tracks. I'm assuming it's from cats. We have lots of feral cats around here, many of them, very common in Japan. Wow. My van is covered. So recently I posted a video of the Japan 2026 camping car show. And actually that video is surprisingly kind of taken off, which is kind of interesting. And I also appreciate all of that. Definitely helps this channel grow. We are small, but little by little I am focusing on different topics, and hopefully it does not become too convoluted. But if you are interested in Japan in general, countryside, life in Japan, traveling around Japan in a camper van, hopefully this is the type of channel that you're interested in. And if so, please hit subscribe, like, and share. It helps us grow a little. More tracks. We also have tanukis around here. Wow, look at that. I almost hate to walk on the snow and ruin it. So beautiful. Folks, I have some very exciting news coming up. At least exciting for me. But I'm going to wait at least a couple weeks before I officially make that announcement via YouTube. Let me give you a little hint. It involves me having more time on my hands. If you can guess what it is, please comment below. Wow, look at that. Wow, beautiful. These here are my 1, 2, 3 cherry trees, sakura, that I planted here in a row. And it's kind of hard to see probably, but all this right here was terraced last year this time actually. And see, now I can much easier walk. Before it was pretty darn hard. And oh God, last year this tree collapsed on me, and it's about to collapse again. Half of it broke down. It's beautiful, gorgeous tree. I created a playlist of the Akiya renovation process only, and I sorted it in from the oldest to newest. So if you wish to binge watch the whole process of when we purchased this house, when we started cleaning it, everywhere I'm walking so easily right now was almost impossible before. This right here was full of debris. We had it flattened out. Big construction equipment did it. And then a year later, what we call the mountain right here. That was, like I said, layered. Yeah, difficult to walk here. Yeah, now I can walk freely without a problem and take care of my property as I get a little older. My Japanese garden, so this Japanese garden was covered with weeds, bushes, you name it. And all along right here too, as well. It was full of kuzo, those vines, full. I mean, climbing onto the house, climbing onto those light poles, climbing onto the trees. And we purchased the house in the middle of the summer and began the renovation in October. So my wife and I, poor Coco, we were out here disposing of all the property of the previous owners. Yes, everything was still here. Furniture, clothes, pictures, all of that. That took many trips to the various recycle centers. It's an interesting topic if you're interested in something like this. We saved $1 million yen on the process, which at the time was around $8,000. The real estate agent informed us that we could get it for $1 million yen cheaper, and we quickly said yes. For reference, we paid around $35,000. Again, spent a good, I say more like 8 months renovating it, about a year to move in, actually, almost to the date. Look at that. Yeah, we hired a local carpenter here in town. He performed the renovation, and he focuses on healthy living. So for the most part, he uses natural materials. So the wood floors are untreated cedar, soft, but feels really nice on the feet. Yeah, one thing, and I talk about on the playlist that I talked about, go through the whole process, very first videos. Many times horrible sound, my apologies, but I tried to learn as I go, so give me a little forgiveness there, but I tried. I'm still trying. Ooh. But this is what I love. Can't get enough of this. This is why we moved here, and many other reasons why. Price was definitely a factor. However, if you do, not to sound bragging or anything like that, but if you do look at the videos, you would probably tell that we did not spare many expenses, because this is our dream home, forever home, at least until we can continue living here. Perhaps someday we'll grow too old and just cannot. But, whoa, look at that. So, yeah, we wanted to turn it into our house, our home, I should say. Right under these are my lime and lemon citrus trees that I planted. Hopefully they survive. Hopefully they survive. Phew, look at that. Whew. We were focused on what we wanted. At this stage in our lives, I am 54 years old. We've been around the world. I'm former military. I guess the longest we ever lived somewhere was 10 years in North Carolina, Fort Bragg, North Carolina. If you're familiar with Fort Bragg, comment below. Those guys are something else, that's for sure. Jumping out of airplanes. I did it at 37. I don't know what I was thinking. Still have aches and pains for it for the rest of my life, but it is what it is. We all volunteered for it. Now we live here, and this is where we're gonna be for a while. We wanted quality, we wanted quality of life, I should say. So if you are interested in that, or at least get an idea, yeah, please check them out. Again, some of the first ones were not the best. Yeah, the bare minimum documented the process and you could get some ideas as well. But I'm going to warm up a little bit, get the drone and fly around. Hopefully you enjoy it. All right, enough rambling. I need to go inside. Have a great day, bye.